Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon and greetings to all us. First of all, I am Ananda Yunita Silalahi, a student Binawan University, Nutritionist Studies Program Faculty of Health Science and Technology. First of all, I would like to thank you so much FIKT, Faculty of Health and Technology at Binawan University, which has organized a virtual speech competition, and I had the opportunity to give virtual speech with the theme number 3, namely, what will I do in the future to build brighter and more advanced Indonesia? The Honorable Mr. and Mrs. lecturer, as well as the judge of the virtual speech spectra. On this occasion, I will talk about my role that I will later to as a young generation and the hope of the nation. We are the next generation of the nation's youth. As the hope of the nation, we shall provide achievements as concert evidence if we are able to continue the relay leadership of this country. Besides that, youth is also the aim. In addition, youth are also to spread hope for the future of the nation, to answer the challenge of a better future, in order of this country to be more advanced, in order it is urgently needed a young generation with noble personality, good characters, and able to protect the knowledge they have. Good and corrective practice of science will make the nation competitiveness in the future better. Indonesia is a country of unique complexity and diversity, composed of various tribes and cultures, various languages and customs, and has thousands of islands that are separated from each other by the ocean. Indonesia has been nicknamed an agrarian country as well as maritime country. Thus, difference can create division in a nation, or it can make this nation more united. This is where the position of youth is very reliable. The young generation becomes the foundation of this country to continue to unite and achieve a shared vision and mission. Unfortunately, many young Indonesians are currently right in the flow of globalization, which has a negative impact. The flow of globalization is the two phase. Thus, have positive and negative impacts. The positive impacts is that many technology have developed to facilitate human activities. However, it can have a negative impact when the mentality of the youth and the next generation of the nation is getting worse. Indonesia continues to need young leaders who are taught, fair, wise, and able to withstand the strong negative currents of globalization. As generation of hope for the nation, we shall be enthusiastic in fighting the spirit of Bhinneka Tunggal Ika and the spirit of defending independence. We can do this by always sticking to the contents of the youth brightly, namely. Number 1, we the sons and the daughters of Indonesia claim to be one nation, the Indonesian nation. Number 2, we the sons and daughters of Indonesia converse that we have one blood, the homeland of Indonesia. Number 3, we are Indonesian sons and daughters approach the language of unity. The Indonesian language. At least we continue to learn and try to be better by studying harder, by active in social activities and playing an active role in giving opinions and or the problems around us. Hopefully we can become the youth this in country needs. That's my speech. Hopefully it can provide inspiration. If there are any mistakes, I apologize. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.